Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve this equation here. Well, the first thing that I see is that I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. And when I do that, right, this will be able to divide off the 2. I am also going to multiply by 5 on both sides of this equation because by so doing, the 5 can divide off. So essentially, I'm left with 5 times x plus 1 equal to 2 times 3x minus 1. And let's continue to expand and simplify both sides of this equation first. Okay, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times positive 1, so it's positive 5, 2 times 3x, 6x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. And for this particular question, I saw that 6x on the right hand side is bigger than 5x. This is what Mr. Tan will do. I'm going to minus 5x on both sides so that I will have a 6x minus 5x here. And you can see that this 5x minus 5x will become 0. Okay? Which is what I've just mentioned here. Okay? So next, I would also plus 2 on both sides of this equation so that you will see a positive 5 plus 2 here. And for the other side, what happened to the 2? Yes, 2 minus 2 will be 0. Yep. Okay, so that's what happened. And now that we have this, then it becomes pretty straightforward. Because 6x minus 5x, this one will give me 1x. So my 1x will be equals to 7. And we have successfully solved for the value of x. Well, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.